Alright, so we're heading to the Dead Sea. We get towels, huh? Yeah, we'll get towels.
Okay, right here. You all want to, right?
Yeah. Yeah, thanks, bro. Hopefully it doesn't take us to like underground. No, I think this is it.
I think you're right, this is it. He did say elevator.
I think we gotta take one more. No way, there's another elevator. So you have to take, I think this is our 4th elevator to get to beach level. Sorry guys, I'm wearing a mask. So yeah, you have to take 4 elevators basically to get to beach level. I guess B stands for beach. Okay. Actually, the wind here feels a bit warmer. I don't know if that's me, but it does seem a bit warmer. How are you doing, boss?
I'm here, yeah?
Yeah, first time. Canada.
Welcome to Jordan.
Thank you.
We can go more down? The water, and then come back here with the mud. Yeah.
Okay.
10 minutes dry and then go in the sea.
Oh,
okay. Then it's gonna be
Yes.
Let's have bucket this moment, you have mud.
This is where the mud is stored.
Like this. This is the mud.
Okay. So this goes all over the body?
Yes, for the body.
Okay.
Just 15 minutes.
Okay.
And then go again in the sea.
In the sea? Okay.
Yes, and then come back here with the salt scrub.
For the scrub?
Yes.
Okay. So this is all from the sea,
Yes,
this
from
actual
the sea,
mineral?
yeah.
Okay. And they say it's very good for your body?
Yes, very good.
Very good for the body. Amazing. Great. Awesome. Thanks for us.
You're welcome.
Is the water cold right now, or it's a little bit? Okay. So this water you float in basically. You just go in it and you float. It's pretty insane.
Did you see that? I'm floating, look. I'm actually floating, bro. Shit. You got to try it.
Amazing.
Every day, man.
Firaz, you're the best. Thank you so much.
Welcome, boss.
Like I said, everyone, if they come to Dead Sea, come see Firaz. He'll take care of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Firaz. Thanks, man.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Now, Mohammed and the other workers did not mention a set price for the cost of applying the mud and the salt to the body. It may have been complimentary, but from our end, we felt that 55 JD was a fair amount to pay for his service and his hospitality. This t-shirt is literally a rock. After wearing it in the Dead Sea, all the salt. It has dried, but it's like super stiff. We decided to have dinner at one of the Italian restaurants on the resort. We smoked a little bit of shisha after and then called it a night. In the morning, we were excited to see if this restaurant could compete with the breakfast we had in Amman, and it definitely delivered. It looks as if we got lucky with our arrival and departure from the Dead Sea. As we were leaving, a heavy influx of visitors began to arrive. Okay guys, so we're done with the Dead Sea now. We're just checking out and we're going to be heading to Wadi Musa, more commonly known as Petra, which is one of the wonders of the world. We're going to take a look at the treasury there, the monastery, and a few other very historical sites. So it's about 3 hours of a drive from the Dead Sea to Petra. So we'll touch back in a little bit, guys. Peace. Osama is a gentleman. We stayed at the Hilton. There's a sign for the Dead Sea at Movenpick. Osama is letting us take a look at the sign. So thank you so much, Osama.
Welcome here.
Okay.